Why did bitcoins have a value of $1 trillion? The question of why pure internet code can attain such a high value, which is 7,400 times the most expensive car, 1,400 times the most expensive yacht, and 10 times the most expensive building in the world, has a pretty simple answer. Gold. How can 10 grams of a metal be worth more than 100 hours of human labor? Pay close attention now. Gold was not created by anyone and cannot be eliminated by anyone. The amount of gold is, by and large, unchangeable. Thus, once everything is found, gold is neither deflationary nor inflationary. The same is true for Bitcoin. The creator exists under a pseudonym, which means that no human can be held responsible for Bitcoin. Moreover, he made the coin available on the internet and published all the information on the internet. No one on this earth can know more about Bitcoin than you and me. And the coins, just like gold, cannot be eliminated, because a code remains a code. As long as I am willing to pay you $30,000 for it, the value will remain at $30,000. Another important and extremely interesting aspect is the fact that just like gold, Bitcoins are mined. There are still 1.7 of 21 million Bitcoins under the ground, and whoever finds them gets to keep them. That is why Bitcoin has such a high value. People have trusted in gold for thousands of years. Now Gold 2.0 is available in digital form, making it safer to store, more flexible and easier to use as a means of payment. But